How to fix Gcash app security notice. Accessibility service detected you open your Gcash app, and suddenly you're hit with a security notice saying an accessibility service has been detected. You can't get in and you have money to send. Don't panic, in the next 2 minutes I'll walk you through exactly how to fix this step by step. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're solving one of the most common Gcash errors users are facing right now. This security notice is actually Gcash protecting your money, but I'll show you how to clear it fast so you can get back to your transactions. Let's get into it. First, why does this happen? Gcash scans your phone for accessibility services before allowing you to log in. Accessibility services are powerful Android features that can read your screen and perform actions on your behalf. While they're designed to help users with disabilities, they can also be exploited by malicious apps to steal your MPIN and access your funds. So Gcash blocks them as a security measure to protect your wallet. Now let's fix it. Step 1. When the security notice appears, tap the settings button directly from the Gcash notice screen. This will take you straight to your phone's accessibility settings. If that button doesn't work, go back to your home screen and open your phone settings manually. Step 2. Inside settings, look for accessibility. The exact location varies by phone brand. On Samsung it's under settings, then accessibility. On other Android phones, it may be under settings, then additional settings, then accessibility. Tap on it. Step 3. Go through every app listed under downloaded apps or installed apps inside accessibility. Turn off accessibility permissions for every single app that has it enabled, especially apps like screen recorders, phone cleaners, game assistants, or any app you don't fully trust. Toggle each one off one by one. Step 4. Go back to your phone settings and tap on additional settings or system, then look for developer options. Make sure developer options is completely toggled off. Gcash flags USB debugging and other developer settings as serious security risks. Step 5. If you use chat apps like Facebook Messenger with chat bubbles or floating notifications, temporarily disable those as well. Some users have found that chat bubbles trigger the accessibility warning inside Gcash. Step 6. Once you have turned everything off, close Gcash completely by swiping it away from your recent apps. Then reopen Gcash and try logging in again. Step 7. If the error still appears, go to your phone settings, find Gcash under apps, tap storage, and clear the cache. Then restart your phone completely and reopen Gcash. Step 8. If none of the above works, uninstall any apps on your phone that did not come from the official Google Play Store or Huawei App Gallery. Unofficial apps are a common trigger for this security notice and can also put your account at serious risk. Pro tip: after fixing this issue, make it a habit to review your accessibility settings every few weeks. Some apps quietly re-enable accessibility permissions after an update without telling you. A quick check takes 30 seconds and keeps your Gcash account protected at all times. So to recap, disable all accessibility services, turn off developer options, clear floating notifications, clear the Gcash cache, restart your phone, and remove any unofficial apps. Follow those steps in order, and you will be back inside your Gcash account in minutes. If this video saved you today, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a helpful tutorial like this one. Still having the issue after trying all these steps? Drop your phone model in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.